I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Confirm your admin and running a current Windows 11 build because some options move between updates. Once done, press Win+I to open settings, then go to Privacy and Security. This is where search and add permissions live. You do this now so later steps apply correctly. Make sure to keep the settings window open. If your build differs, the same controls exist but may be named slightly differently. So proceed by matching the closest option. Next, you dive into search permissions to turn off data flows that enable ads. First, toggle off cloud content settings and online search results so Windows stops querying Microsoft services for suggestions. Then disable search highlights and any indexing features that surface promoted content. This prevents targeted items from appearing in the search box. You do this because ads are delivered via online suggestion and telemetry. Shutting those toggles reduces them. Make sure to confirm each toggle change before moving on. To finish, remove visual entry points for ads. Right-click the taskbar, choose taskbar settings, and hide the search box or icon so suggestions won't show. Then open settings for widgets and tips. Turn off any promotional tips or recommended content, since those sometimes reintroduce suggestions. Once done, restart Windows Explorer or reboot so registry and UI changes take effect. If ads persist, clear search history and run a privacy reset. That often removes cached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.